Okay. What I have here is a Dom S half euro that was sent to me by Michael in Germany quite a while ago, but I haven't got around to making a video until now. And it's quite a tricky lock because of the drivers that are inside, and even the key pins are kind of unique. So I'm going to use my Peterson gem in 18 thousandths and see how it goes. Yeah, for a 5-pin lock, this is one of the harder ones I have. Okay. Okay, just a big click. No more. Okay, good full set. Okay. Alright, so I think 3 is all set. Got a lot of clicks out of that one. Another click out of 4. Another click out of 3. Alright. I think you might be set now. I don't know. Alright, now he's set. Alright, open. Tough lock. This particular cylinder has been used a lot, so I assume this was on some German guy's door for a number of years. Alright, and I'll show you what's on the inside. This is the best part. Okay. These are one of those bendy type of clips. Try not to lock it. No key. Okay. So to get them started. And it's been a while since I gutted this. And I might have to use a shim. I don't remember. Yeah. Keep getting stuck. Right about there. Okay. Yeah, the shim is reaching the end of its lifespan. Okay. Alright, let's see if that works. Alright, that did it. Alright, so here are the key pins. Okay. Alright, so some unique things going on here. Torpedo shaped number 3 and 5, and standard 1 and 4, and then number 2 has a little cut in there, although it is pretty deep. And then here are the drivers. Number 1 is standard, although there is a, looks like a steel rod inside there. Yeah, only in the driver. Two is standard. 3 is a big wafer type of driver. 4 is a smaller one. And 5 is standard. So kind of tough picking through these wafers here, just because the way they're shaped. You have all these little pieces on the inside. Like this one over here is basically a deep cut spool, but with 3 of these pieces of wafer on the inside. And then this other guy here is basically the same, just a little longer, with 4 of these wafers on the inside. This one's cut a little better because he's longer. There's a little more room for the pieces to move around. Although this one does have some room too. See, there you go. That makes it pretty difficult to pick. And then here's a great looking pin. This is a big torpedo shaped key pin. So if you overset, it's kind of hard to get them unstuck. Same thing with number 3. And then number 2 just has a pretty deep, let's see, can't really say. It's not too deep, but it does make a difference. Alright, and then number 1 over here looks like he's made of, looks like he has like copper or bronze on the outside. And then a steel rod, I guess has drill protection. Yeah, a steel rod in there. Alright, and everything else is standard. Here's the plug. Pretty worn down in the front, but I think that's just from use, really. right. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and happy picking.